Welcome back to Leggari, everyone. We got another awesome video for you. We're going to be showing you how to create this look on your counters with one of our DIY kits. Stay tuned till the end to learn how you can win your own epoxy sample kit from Leggari.com. We're going to use this 9-inch roller on this because we just did a floor, just primed the floor, and I had some extra, so now we're going to do a counter with it. This is our brown primer. And really easy to apply. Stuff works amazing. It bonds like crazy. One of the best primers on the market for chemically bonding to smooth surfaces. So since we just coat these counters over and over, we don't sand between coats. We're going right over our high gloss urethane primer. Cool thing about this primer is if you have a really glossy surface you're going over, kind of see how it doesn't cover everywhere. Once it starts setting up, you just roll over that again, it'll completely cover it. See how awesome that is? So I'm just going to let this sit up a little bit, and then I'm going to roll it again, and it'll cover it completely. Alright guys, we've got it primed. It's been about an hour. Now we're going to put our coffee base color down. Remember, whenever you pour something out with resin, it's always going to be dripping when you take it off of the counter or even your roller. It's always going to start dripping right away. So there's a few ways you can roll this stuff out. You do it like I am right here, where you can apply a little pressure and use your roller as a squeegee and start really covering a lot of square footage quick. Our stuff is really fluid, which makes it really easy to roll out and coat everywhere without having to using a knot squeegee or trial or apply that pressure, turn this roller into a squeegee. Notice I'm not rolling anything off the edge yet. Because it will just immediately start dripping off. And if you got a spot where it is dripping, just pull that back a little bit. But it doesn't take much to turn this roller into a squeegee. It's really simple. So now once I got it pretty much rolled out everywhere, if you guys see stuff in it, just take the time to pick it out. Just wipe it on your plastic. So now that the top's pretty much rolled out, I'm going to start getting right up to the edges. Still not rolling it over the edge. Now I'm happy with the top, so I'm going to start doing my edges. I'll just roll a little bit on the top and hit my edge. Hit a little on the top, hit my edge. Alright, so we got the base coat down. Now we got our highlights in brass. And we're just going to do our simple vein technique where we just dip it in here and drizzle it off to get the highlight colors and just random patterns. The nice thing about the drizzling it like this is they're not perfectly straight. can't really screw this stuff up. It's just so simple to do. So I like to get it all out on the counter, and then I'll go back and I'll add some to the edges. Make sure I'm getting color right into my edges everywhere. And then a really nice trick is everywhere your highlight veins are coming to an edge, you want to add color going back, and that'll keep that color flowing over, and you'll see how good these edges will look. And I like to add some in random spots. You can see I'm going back a couple inches up there, getting a nice thick coat. That way that'll constantly be flowing over that highlight color, and it'll make your edges look really good. I'm gonna use all this stuff up, so I'll add some to the same veins. So you guys can see all the color that's been dripping off on the plastic. If you ever need to get color on your faces, you can always dip a paintbrush or your roller in some of this color and add it to your backsplash or your front edge. So now we're just gonna take the same roller. And don't set your roller down if you sand it or you have a bunch of debris that's on the plastic, because it'll just get stuck in this sticky roller. So make sure you set it down on clean plastic. So this one, we've showed you guys to just swirl the whole counter before. I'm going to show you to just follow the vein technique that we did. So we're going to blend the colors like this, and then we're going to swirl in between. Kind of blend the colors, do the edges. So follow that vein. You can, I'm even tilting it up a little. Try to follow that vein and then swirl it in between that. That way the whole counter's getting moved around. And as you go, make sure you blend your front edge too. Just follow the veins, however the veins go. You can go through and do all your veins real quick, and then come back and swirl in between. It doesn't really matter. But really simple, guys. This product does all the work for you. All you're doing is adding the colors, starting the blending process, and the product will do the rest. It's going to be moving for the next 8 hours while it's curing. It's going to be marbleizing. It's just a really easy way to do a natural looking veins. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. We'll see how these edges look in about 20-30 minutes. And if we need to add more color to them, I'll show you guys how to do that. Usually if you add that highlight color right on the edges everywhere, like I showed you, that material will keep flowing over and your edges will look awesome. So we'll come check it out in about a half hour, 20 minutes. All right, so right when you're done, if you guys have bubbles, we have a few in here. We usually don't hardly ever have bubbling issues, but we do have a few in this. So you'll take your denatured alcohol, make sure it's spraying a really fine mist, and all you're gonna do is mist it like that. That's it. Like, can you get a close up on these bubbles? I'll just mist them. I just immediately popped them. That's what you guys want. A really fine mist. That's it, guys. Didn't have to torch it, nothing. Now we got a perfectly glass smooth surface, and all we did was mist some denatured alcohol on it. So you can expect with our products. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're not getting our emails and you're a subscriber, make sure you go to your settings and change that to ensure you see all of our footage. Every time we post a video, you should be getting an email. We want to make sure you guys see all of our videos and you have the chance to enter for our free giveaways. For every 50,000 views that this video gets, we're going to be giving away one of our free epoxy sample kits so you can learn how simple our kits are to install and how cool and fun they are. All you have to do to enter for that is subscribe to our channel, comment below, and make sure you share our video. It's that simple. And remember, Leggari.com has you covered.